How long does French bee take to give you a refund? Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how long does French bee take to refund your flight. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So here, as you can see, I'm on their customer plan. Before I begin, I just want to say there is a link in the description below. If you want to go ahead and check it out, you will also find some promo codes and coupon codes that you can apply onto your next flight and save a bunch of money. So make sure you check that out as well. Now let's go ahead and move on to the video. So this is their customer commitment plan, or their customer care, whatever you want to call it. And here you can go ahead and check for your refund, right? Check out their refund policy. Scroll down below, we'll find at number 5, they provide prompt ticket refunds, all right? So what this means is that refunds shall be made within the 7 business days after the earliest date the refund was requested, as set forth in their article right here, as required by the, other articles for credit card purchases, and within 20 calendar days after the earliest date refund was requested for cash, check, debit, and other forms. So if you purchase the flight with a credit card, you'll promptly get a refund within the 7 business days right here. But if you had made a requested cash or check, debit card, or other forms of purchase, it will take 20 calendar days. So keep that in mind. So there you go. All in all, it might take you a couple of weeks to get your complete refund. So there you go. That's how long it takes for French bee to give you a complete refund. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you check out the link in the description below for those promo codes. So thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.